Hola folks, it's time for a Mexican dish. This is a Nilgai. I took mine in South Texas free range. The Hindi word for Nilgai actually means blue cow. They are also known as the blue bull. They were introduced to Texas in the 1920s. Today there's probably about 40,000 running around free range in South Texas. They were originally from India. Bulls can weigh up to 700 pounds and the meat is delicious. And I shot this Nilgai close to the border, so I figured I'd kind of use a recipe that kind of came from that area. First, we're going to start out with some bell peppers and onions cut into bite-sized pieces. Next, we're going to add our ground Nilgai. You can use ground deer if you wanted to, or any other type of ground wild game, but you can also just cut your meat into little tiny pieces, and it would also work for this recipe. We're going to season the meat with some garlic, some cumin, some taco seasoning, some fajita seasoning, some cilantro lime seasoning, and some Texas seasoning since I shot it in Texas. And a little bit of steak marinade. And we're going to get them cooked together real nicely. Next, we're going to get a Pyrex dish, and we're going to fill, cover, and spread out the entire bottom with refried beans. That's going to be our base layer in this recipe. The next layer is seasoned black beans, 1 can of those. Next, fire roasted salsa. This is 2 cans of fire roasted salsa. It's going to add a good bit of flavor. Next is homemade candied jalapenos. If you don't like the heat, you might want to leave this part of it out, but I like it a lot. While the meat's been cooking, I have also cooked some Spanish rice, and that is going to be the next layer here. It's going to help absorb some of those juices and stuff that come from the meat and everything. Next, we're going to take our mixture that we have cooked with the Nilgai, the peppers, the onions, all that, and spread it out over the top of the rice. Next, we're going to completely cover the top of the dish with cheese. You can use queso or whatever you like. This is shredded mozzarella right here. We're going to throw it in the oven and pretty much just melt the cheese on the top. Everything's pretty much already cooked anyway, but we're going to cook it all together and infuse all the ingredients and stuff. Next, we're going to add a little color. We got some Mexican hot sauce and some avocado hot sauce that we're going to drizzle over the top. Then we're going to add some avocado slices and some pickled red peppers. You can see all the layers, how it's formed right there. Very presentable to a party or something like that. And absolutely delicious. You can put it on chips or just a tortilla or something. Delicioso, cabar. You can see the full hunt for this Nilgai in one of my other videos. Check it out.